Hello, everybody, and I have a good news to share with you. And this is a giveaway, a token of gratitude from my side to all the subscribers. Not all, but lucky two, right? I am giving two tickets for 28th, one ticket, and for 29th September, another ticket to two lucky subscribers. So, if you don't know for what ticket, what I'm talking about, so I'm talking about a big data conference, which is just after 3 days. That's on Tuesday and Wednesday, 28th September and 29th of September. I have already uploaded a video about what this conference is all about. You can go ahead and see that video. And also, I will provide links in the description box so that you can go ahead and see the schedule and what all talks are there in different tracks. So these are the tracks, as you can see: data, machine learning, cloud and streaming, and Varia. So the giveaway and the take and the gift is that I'm giving this free ticket to you. So what you have to do is, this will be on the first come first serve basis, and send me three details. Okay, your name, the day you want to attend the session, like on 28th, mention the day of attending, 28th September, which is on Tuesday. So if you're working, make sure that, or if you're a student, then it's good. If you're working, make sure that you have time and you utilize that thing, so that, because I have just one ticket, it could be utilized if another person can benefit more with it. So be a little wiser in discretion, understanding, because I have limited tickets. So you can see, and you can shift between different tracks. If you want to attend one talk on data, you can attend that, right? If you want to attend another talk from machine learning, you can do that. And you can just make a transition between different tracks and attend several talks by different speakers in this time span. And Indian time zone, it would be starting from 11:35 and ending around 7 o'clock in the evening. So from 11 p.m. a.m. 11:35 a.m. to 7 p.m. Don't worry, you would get everything once you get your ticket. So see this for 28th first day conference. Um, what all topics are of your interest? If not, then you can register, or you can let me know for that you're interested in the second day. And you can, this is really very interesting session, because the speakers are very uh, profound and expert in the field. I would really recommend you to attend this session. And if you find time for 28th or 29th, do mention it. Go through this website, I will share the link, and don't miss this opportunity. And another thing is that okay, coming back, another thing is that send me the details as soon as possible, because I have to forward it to the event organizers so that they can give me the ticket, or they can um, send you an invite themselves. So just let me know um, your day which you are interested. Second thing, that is your name, and the third thing is your email. Mention all these things. Don't assume that you are sending it through your email. So I will take it for that thing, because I want that email has to be written in the body of your email. So I will provide my email address also in the description box. Don't provide it in the comment section, guys. Mail me, okay? So that this is your crucial information. Don't make it public. And on my official mail, just send me your three informations: your date of attending the session, you're interested in which date, 28th or 29th. Second thing is your name, and the third thing is your email address. Send me all these things. Join me in machine learning track if possible. Any of the talk, I'll be there. And let me know that yes, you're joining there, and so that it will just help me. Yes, that's someone known is coming in the session. And don't miss this opportunity. This is a gratitude from my side. I can give little. Yes, this is just a starting. And I hope with your prayers, with your blessings, and with your support, I might extend, these many tickets for upcoming sessions also, for the conference session also. It's not just to one, but to many. So just first, right now, just avail this offer. Okay. Two lucky subscribers to get that free gifts from my side. And this is just a kind gesture from the event organizers also, who have accepted this thing and this request actually, and they have offered it themselves. So I am really really, really grateful to them. And what are you guys waiting for? Just go and write your emails. Go. Get going, because I don't have much time. I have to forward it, and I'm recording it live. So I'll be just posting it in an hour or so. So yeah, just write me. I should get it by tonight. Okay, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, see you guys in the event, and all the very best. Learn, guys, learn. Just excel in this field. It's so interesting. Okay, ending now, and stay tuned for more upcoming great, exciting videos. Even I'm excited. And let's see where this journey takes us together. And bye bye.